Starting on the Camaro to put the replacement panels on it. Started on it there yesterday. Go put two lower partial quarters. As you can see here, quarters got some rust on the lower edge around the lips. I've already cut the other side off so you can see what we got on it. Cut it off. Inside looking good in the wheelhouse. Got some lower rust there, and the lips rusted off around the outer edge, and then down on the lower we got a hole in there. So I'm going to put a partial wheelhouse, and I'm going to section it down in that area right there to where it'll be full down there, and that should make a good job. We'll replace this lower back panel, and this car had a patch over the rear section which I already pulled off to see what was under it. You can see there we got some rust on both sides. I have a new back panel and an inner reinforcement, and I'm going to work on putting that on now. Inside the trunk is good shape, pretty good shape. Got a little hole right there I got to fix. That's it on the inside. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I worked a few hours on it there yesterday evening. Kind of cut it up a little bit to see what I want to replace and how I want to replace it. This here quarter right here, I cut it down, see what kind of damage I got. So I'm going to replace that one little extension panel there, and go replace this quarter here, partial. I did rip the vinyl roof off to see if we have anything under it, and it looks excellent. They did put some paint under this vinyl roof, which they normally didn't do, so it don't have any rust under the vinyl roof. That's good. Back panel, I went ahead and cut the lower part off, trying to decide where I want to put in a partial or the whole thing. If I put in a partial, I'll still have my factory spot welds here, which kind of like to do, but haven't decided on that part yet. A lot of thinking in the starting process. Now this quarter I've got a little bit cut out. I decided to pull the whole wheelhouse out since we had some rust on the inner part of it too. The lower extension there, I'm going to be replacing. I took the whole wheelhouse out, as you can see right there. I took the whole thing out. Inside is actually primered, so a lot of old cars didn't have anything in there, so it did kind of preserve it. Got a little rust area down in there, which I'll take care of before I put the quarter back on. But today I'm probably going to put that inner wheelhouse back in. As you can see, I'm going to go right below that ridge there. I cramped it. I'm going to put my quarter on. I'm not going to weld it all on. I'm going to put it on with two-part bonding kit. It's stout and causes less warpage as when you'd weld it. So when I get started on it here today, I'll probably take a few videos of process of going through it. I'll put the wheelhouse on and I'll show you what I done there, but I'll continue later. Thank you.